In a strong and united stance, the people of Igbo land have once again declared their firm opposition to the controversial RUGA settlement. In a press statement released today, community leaders and activists emphatically stated that there is no land for RUGA anywhere in Igbo land, not now, not ever. The statement, signed by prominent figures, including Ben Nwako, Executive Director, Evans Nwako, Ambassador for Self-Determination USA, and other leaders from groups such as AFID and Rising Sun Group, condemning the RUGA initiative as a disguised government policy aimed at seizing ancestral land under the pretext of agricultural development. They accuse the government of using RUGA and national waterways bills as a tool to transfer control of Igbo land, rivers, and streams to Fulani settlers, warning that this amounts to a form of reverse colonization. Highlighting the region's high population density, over 800 people per square kilometer, and the ongoing struggle for farmland and housing, the statement insists that Igbo land simply cannot spare any space for cattle settlement. The group also cited security concerns, pointing to the violent conflict in Benue State, where over 1,800 people have been killed by armed X-Men in recent years. They warned against allowing similar insecurity to take root in Igbo community, referencing criminal activities links to cattle market in Abia State. The indigenous people of Biafra, led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is credited with the first raising awareness and mobilizing peaceful resistance against RUGA under the previous administration. The statement questions Governor Charles Soludo recent engagement with projects, warning him to stop negotiations that threaten Igbo land and lives. The leaders also accused Southeast governors and politicians alleged to have accepted bribes to support RUGA to return the money, emphasizing that people are watching and history will hold betrayal accountable. Importantly, the statement clarifies that the opposition is not against any Igbo running private livestock businesses on farmland, but against federal land grabs that could displace indigenous community. The statement all traditional rulers, youth group, market women, churches, and community across Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, and Anambra, Imo, and beyond to remain vigilant and resist any attempt to implement RUGA for related policy on their land.